Welcome to Like Health. Never leave this video because it contains the amazing secrets of castor oil. This natural oil has been used for centuries, but most people don't know what happens when you apply it before bed. From rejuvenating your skin to easing pain and even improving your sleep, castor oil can do wonders. In this video, we're revealing the 7 greatest secrets of using castor oil at night. Make sure to stay until the end. You won't believe what the 7th benefit does to your body. If you find this helpful, support the video with a kind like from you. It means a lot. Number 1. Deep detox while you sleep. When castor oil is gently massaged onto your abdomen before bed, it stimulates the lymphatic system, your body's natural detox highway. This helps flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and even improve digestion overnight. Ancient Ayurvedic medicine called castor oil the healer of stagnation for a reason. Pair it with a warm compress for a deeper effect. Your liver will thank you in the morning. Few people know this, but it also boosts nitric oxide production, which helps relax your blood vessels and improve circulation. Number 2. Naturally thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. Apply a drop of castor oil to your lashes and brows before bed, and you're feeding them with ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that promotes hair growth. It penetrates deep into the follicles, increasing blood flow and stimulating growth from the root. Unlike expensive serums filled with chemicals, this natural method gives results with 0 side effects. Within weeks, users report fuller, darker, and stronger hairs that no makeup can match. Add vitamin E oil for an extra nutrient boost and faster results. This secret is especially loved by beauty experts who swear by its consistent magic. Number 3. Soothes joint pain and muscle tension. Rub castor oil onto sore joints or tight muscles before bed, and you'll feel the difference by morning. Its anti-inflammatory properties seep into the tissues, reducing swelling and easing stiffness naturally. The ricinoleic acid not only soothes discomfort but also improves blood flow to the area, perfect for arthritis or post-workout recovery. For even better results, wrap the area with a warm cloth to intensify absorption. This ancient remedy is still used today by massage therapists and holistic healers worldwide. It's like giving your joints a spa treatment while you sleep. Number 4. Clears stubborn acne and prevents breakouts. Yes, castor oil for acne. Sounds crazy, but it works. Its antibacterial and antifungal powers fight the root causes of breakouts. When applied to clean skin at night, it unclogs pores, dissolves dirt, and reduces redness without drying your skin. It's rich in omega-9 fatty acids, which help restore your skin's natural balance. Unlike harsh creams, it heals and hydrates at the same time, leaving your skin calm and glowing. Add a drop of tea tree oil to supercharge its acne-fighting effect. Wake up to a fresher, clearer complexion without irritation. Number 5. Fades wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Castor oil is a hidden gem in the world of anti-aging. When gently applied to the face before sleep, it penetrates deep into the skin layers. It stimulates collagen and elastin production, 2 proteins essential for firm, youthful skin. Fine lines around the eyes and mouth begin to soften, and dry patches are replaced with a natural glow. It's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, the molecules responsible for aging. Mix it with a drop of rosehip or argan oil for a luxurious overnight skin treatment. Many people say it works better than expensive night creams, and it's 100% natural. Number 6. Promotes deep, restful sleep. Surprisingly, castor oil can also help calm the nervous system and promote sleep. When massaged onto the soles of your feet or behind your ears, it activates pressure points that reduce anxiety and tension. This gentle ritual signals your body that it's time to relax, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It may even stimulate the release of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that promotes a peaceful state of mind. Many people describe the sensation as warm, grounding, and deeply comforting. Try it tonight. You might just sleep like a baby. Number 7. Boosts hair growth and revives damaged scalp. This might be the most impressive benefit of all. castor oil can transform your hair while you sleep. Rich in ricinoleic acid and vitamin E, it nourishes the scalp, improves circulation, and strengthens hair follicles from the root. Apply it to your scalp before bed and let it work overnight. It fights dandruff, dryness, and even hair thinning. Over time, many users experience faster hair growth, less breakage, and noticeably thicker, shinier hair. Massage it in with your fingertips for a few minutes to stimulate blood flow and enhance absorption. You won't believe the difference after just a few weeks. This is the secret your hair has been waiting for. Now, why is it better to use castor oil before bed? Because nighttime is when your body enters repair mode, cells regenerate, inflammation decreases, and healing begins. Applying castor oil at this time allows it to penetrate deeply and work uninterrupted for several hours. There's no exposure to sun, sweat, or pollution, so the oil can fully absorb and deliver its benefits. Your skin, scalp, joints, and internal systems are more responsive to nourishment during rest. Plus, the calming ritual of applying it can help you unwind and prepare for a deeper, more restorative sleep. It's not just about what castor oil does. It's when you use it that makes all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new